Hey YouTube friends, welcome to Arcade Treasure Center. My name is Roy, and I don't know if you're like me or not. I like to go thrifting and garage sales and all that, and with everything going on in the world right now and this virus, I'm kind of stuck inside. So I'm listing things on eBay, working on that unlisted inventory. Right now I'm working on this Season's Greetings Sylvester and Tweety teapot, and this is a Fiesta ware teapot. It's from 1997. Man, that thing's perfect. It's beautiful. It was something I picked up a while back, and I stuck on a shelf. It was prior to Christmas, but I forgot to lift it at Christmas time, and because it says Season's Greeting on it, I just stuck it away. But I'm going to go ahead and list it up and put it out there for sale. It may not sell till next Christmas, I don't know, but it may sell right away. I mean, but that little teapot right there ought to fetch about $35. So it was a good little find. But I'm missing garage sales. So like you, if you're a reseller and you miss going out because you're stuck in a place, well, I thought I would go ahead and share one garage sale video I never posted with anything. Didn't really pick up anything at that garage sale. I think I picked up maybe a used car radio. Anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and share that video with you and hope you enjoy it. But before I do, I just want to also show this picture right here. I got a picture from Bob S. And he was a winner on my last contest, and I sent him an Arcade Treasure Center shirt, and he's sent me a picture with him wearing it. So I appreciate it, Bob. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Everyone else out there, thank you for your support. Thanks for watching the videos and the channels and the content I put out. I hope you all are being safe, and I hope you enjoy this garage sale video I'm sharing with you. So until next time, find it, sell it, profit. Catch y'all on the next video. Take a quick park through and see what we can find in here.
Good morning. It's a radio for the car. She put a new on her car and took that one out.
You took this one out?
Yeah.
Well,
but it works. She said it works. You can take it out.
Oh, I can see what I was just looking at here.
It's $20.
Oh, I think for $5 I'll take it.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm good on movies.
Me either.
Hey, look on TV or find Netflix or, you know, I don't.
There's more stuff inside as well.
All right, thank you. Thank you.